Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mini flower. It's beautiful and easy to make. For this I'm going to use this thread. This is a nylon thread, and of course you can use any kind of thread for this, or yarn, and a 1mm crochet hook. I work the flowers in the channel with the metallic thread. This is the silver one. This is Bride or Bride, Création Cheval Blanc. This is the color. This is the silver. I worked them also in the gold and rose metallic thread. You start by a chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slip stitch in the first chain. Work your chain loosely so that's easy for you to. I'm gonna repeat that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Slip stitch in the first. Slip stitch in the first chain. And chain 1. In the ring, work 10 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slip stitch to join in the first single crochet. Chain 2. In the same stitch, which is the first single crochet, work 1 double crochet. Chain 2. 1 double crochet in the next single crochet. Chain 2. Slip stitch in the same single crochet. This is the first petal. Slip stitch in the next single crochet. Chain 2. Double crochet in the same stitch. And chain 2. Double crochet in the next single crochet, chain 2, and slip stitch. This is the second petal. Repeat that for the 3 other petals. I'm working the last petal, so I'm going to work my last double crochet in the last single crochet, chain 2, slip stitch in the same stitch, and that's it. It's so easy and quick, and it's very beautiful to embellish your garment. Cut the yarn or the thread and use a needle to hide this end. And this is my mini flower. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you next time. Bye.